Okay, here we have a BMW. It's a X5 2011. The problem is we lower the engine. Just raise it up a little bit. So here's the engine. Nice, right? What happened is, and it's a common problem on them, here, and I'm gonna go from here, there's a plastic there that the water gets, and it goes like this. It's not here because, you know, we removed everything, but it's over here and it goes like this. It's those plastics are here covering all of the stuff, but when the water, when it drains down into those plastics, and they usually leak. They leak right inside this portion of the engine, which is the back side. And as you can see how everything is rusted here. What happened is that the injector went bad, but now due to there was water inside here, as you can see, it's impossible to get that injector out. We tried so many things. We were putting the chemicals for days. Nothing helped. As you can see, it just broke when we were trying. That's the injector, right? So it was exactly the same here. So it just broke inside of here. So now you would have to remove the head in order to get that injector out. And it's the same situation with the spark plug as well. So we are removing the head, and then we gotta pretty much rebuild the whole head, do the valve job and replace the valve seals, you know, make it as new. We'll get you updates as we go.